Hi everyone, my name is Dylan Grant and welcome again to my presentation on Nicolini Law Firm Damages, my experience, okay? I'm now at part 3 of 3 for 2018. Thank you. Terminated from my job on May 24, 2018. Dr. James Chang finally sent a medical report 2 months later on May 25th, 2018, the seat of the system. My life insurance ignored Dr. Silverberg's, the specialist, right? Dr. Silverberg, and requested a medical report from Dr. James Chang, my family doctor, in March 2018. I had made several trips to Dr. James Chang's office from March 2018 up to May 22nd, 2018, and Dr. Chang refused to be involved. The day after I was terminated from my employment, Dr. James Chang created a medical report on May 25th, 2018 to cover himself. Did Dr. James Chang knew that I was fired on May 24, 2018? Question. I've already been through this, brought it again to your attention. March 28 from Manulife Insurance. I've been asking for a report from my doctor, Dr. James Chang, right? And here he responded May 25th, 2018. This is a reply to your letter, which was March 28, 2018, regarding the lien grant, okay? Feel free to pause and read as you go along, what you went through this already, okay? This was, so the Wsib lawyer, Adrian Nicolini, was aware, okay? And as you can see here, I said on June 1st, I told him about I was terminated last Thursday, as you can see, and what Adrian's response was regarding the amount that was $1,543.01 that was placed in my bank account. And he said, yes, you can accept this money for now. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. As you can see, I knew that once you accept something, it's like, to me, settlement, you know. So I just figured that this lawyer was doing right by me, because I said in May 2018, Nicolini Law Firm, Adrian stated that the 2 weeks pay, which was 1,500 something, that I received from probability, I should accept. He would retrieve the difference when filing for wrongful dismissal, right? But as you can see, as per law, settle your claim after your injuries, or it doesn't matter, whatever it is, it just says do not settle your case until your injuries have plateaued. Or if you accept an offer before 2 years, you risk not being compensated. It's just the fact that once you settle a claim, it doesn't matter if it's for a motor vehicle accident or, in my case, was wrongful dismissal. To me, on my understanding, we're not supposed to accept any monetary compensation, because it simply means that I have accepted and the account has been settled. All right, please feel free to read. Thank you. I'll get to this other section in another presentation, okay? Plan B, Nicolini Law Firm, June and July 2018. After I was fired, okay? I was unaware that a plan was in process to ensure that I lose my cases. I thought this lawyer, Adrian Nicolini Law Firm, had intentions to represent me for employment law and disability law. I lost my job of 20 years with a disability, and without severance pay, Wsib lawyer misdirected me, okay? I think you would agree, all right? June 27, 2018. Received copy of letter from WSIAT to Nicolini Law Firm. It stated medical documents from my treating documents were required, and Nicolini Law Firm was given 2 months to retrieve the documents. I would think, this is now 2018, I retained this lawyer in April 2017, so it's now over a year. And I was denied twice by WSIB, and I was sent to the tribunal, which is WSIAT. And since I was fired from my job, they still have not received any medical documents to prove that my injury actually occurred at work. Okay, please feel free to pause and read as I go along. Thank you. Letter received from WSIT AT dated June 27, 2018, which stated that Nicolini Law Firm had not provided any medical document regarding my claim. Retain Nicolini Law, and I did explain that already. Please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. Here's a letter, June 27, 2018, and it says, and they needed existing copies of medical documentation, from my family doctor and also from Great Lakes Medical, the walk-in clinic. Okay, as you can see, it was sent to Adrian Nicolini on June 27, 2018, and I was copied in on it. Okay, also Bell's lawyer, Mr. Hussein Muftaderi, was copied in. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. June 27th, as I brought this again to your attention, I here outline WSIB lawyer on April 10, 2017, the lawyer pretending to be on my side during my ordeal with my life insurance. Okay. He responded on my behalf. Lawyer was aware of the discipline of the medical doctors, however, told that he would not be involved. I thought that maybe he declined to assist because he was a WSIB lawyer. Okay. When my job was threatened in November 2017, I reported Dr. Sam Anderson, specialist, who agreed with Life that I should return to work to use my left hand, and also stated in his report that the swelling was gone, and also Snea Simon, as I've done in my previous presentations, right? The physiotherapist who stated that my hand was feeling better after the first 20 minutes. All this, you see, Adrian Nicolini was aware. I told him. Okay, Adrian Nicolini asked that I forwarded a complaint report to him, right? Which he would include in his case if I won the claims put forth to the colleges. Okay, so he didn't want to be involved, but he asked me to send them, which I did. Okay, since I was still within the 2 years, I did not question the lawyer on why there was a delay. He was given 2 months to provide a medical reports for the doctors as requested by WSIB on June 27, 2018, received a month after my termination from work. Okay, yeah, I didn't want to, be upset or anything, because I'm thinking that he should have provided the medical documents, but I remained calm. I said, okay, let him do his job, Yeah. So I said he was given 2 months, so okay, all is well. That's what I thought. Okay. Brought this forward again. The lawyer must have been aware. As per law, it says here, WSIB, a Form 8. The physicians did not provide a Form 8 as they are mandated by the legislation. I'm sure you can see that. Okay. This is the Form 8. Please feel free to read. I have dealt with it in other presentations. Okay. Nicolini Law Firm and WSIT activities during the year 2018. Okay. The suspension of my WSIB claim, October to December 2018. I went through this already. I was sidelined by Nicolini Law Firm. Adrian Nicolini pretended all along to be my WSIB lawyer. Please feel free to pause and read. I've already been through this. Okay. I thought actually this lawyer was on my side. I actually thought so. So on October 9th, after the 2 months, and based off this letter, the information is here. Okay. My claim has been suspended because Adrian Nicolini, as you can see, is addressed to him, had failed to provide the medical documents to WSIAT. Okay. And they even stated in the letter to him that yes, they have tried to contact his office. They have spoken to Ashlyn Steele. Okay. And also left messages, and there's been no response. So As per WSIT, which they have placed in the letter here, it means that it actually happened. The Nicolini law gave them a hard time actually, because they failed to return calls, failed to comply in providing my medical documents to them, as you can see here. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. Existing medical documents, initial integument of right thumb, deck of intensinovitis, and please feel free to pause and read if you can. Okay, thank you. And here, on October 30th, 2018, it says on October 9th, this appeal was placed in inactive status to allow Mr. Nicolini time to obtain and submit the following medical information. Existing copies of the medical document regarding Miss Grant, November 6, 2016, visit to Great Lakes. Just let you know that I did not visit Great Lakes on September. This September. Did I say November? September 6th, right? I did not attend Great Lakes Medical. I went to Dr. James Chang at Humber River Hospital church site on September 6th. That's when I presented the doctor's note. Okay, please feel free to pause and read.